Two ways to do fade in and fade out in Premiere. Hello and welcome to Clean Film. Today I'm going to show you two ways to fade a video to black in Premiere, one manual and the other using an adjustment, which is even easier. Let's get started with the manual method. Go to the last frame of the video and in the Effect Controls panel, activate the opacity stopwatch and set it to 0. Then, go back as many frames as you need. 24 frames, for example, is 1 second if your timeline is set to 24 frames per second, and set the opacity percentage to 100. What this will do when you play it back is gradually fade the video out to black. It's important not to have any layers underneath, because when the video disappears, whatever is below will show. If what you want is to fade in from black to another video, you do the same thing but in reverse. Go to the first frame of the second video, activate the opacity stopwatch, set it to 0, advance the number of frames you need, and then raise it to 100. If you watch the full animation, you'll see how the video fades to black and then comes back from black with the next video. Easy, right? It's easy. Now I'm going to show you the automatic way. Let's go to the effects panel. You know that if you can't find it, you can access all the panels from the window menu, right? Choose the one labeled effects. Now let's go to video transitions and then to the dissolve section. And here we have an option called dip to black. It's as simple as clicking and dragging it to the end of the video. That transition fades to black and then comes back as well. Follow us for more clean film tips. I can't see you at all, I see you. Black with the camera.
Too much face.
Very good everyone, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Good night. The song to sell when it goes on. I don't know how to walk on boards.